What's up, guys? It's your girl Samarra, and I'm back with another video.
No, we don't move at the same speed. Can't be no race. Oh yeah, you keep smiling, you keep staring me down. I'ma take your bitch, watch you look around. She is nowhere to be found. In the bathroom where I got my dick and I'm.
Today, your girl's gonna be doing something different. She's gonna be doing something a little different. And today, she's gonna be doing Why am I talking in like the second and third person? I'm gonna be doing a recreating Pinterest outfit video because usually I get most of my inspirations, like my freaking outfit inspirations, from Pinterest. So I'm saying, okay, so why not just find a bunch of outfits that I could probably take or find in my freaking drawer or my closet and recreate it just for fun, just to like spice up this channel a little bit, put some little fashion in it or whatnot. Before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below anything you may want to see in the future. Subscribe for more content because your girl's getting up there. Your girl's gonna be lit. This channel is lit and you'll be missing out. But let's get into the video. First fit I'm finna be recreating, I'm gonna put on the screen right here. And basically it's kind of like a plain fit, you know, but it's still cute, it's still popping. So she's basically wearing like an oversized gray top with some distressed jeans. I don't even know how to say that, distressed. Ripped jeans. She's wearing some ripped jeans with this oversized shirt, and then she paired it with some sneakers. So your girl's finna go do that, and I'm finna show y'all how I got this fit together.
No, my bad, I'm sorry.
I got this shirt from my dad's drawer because I know I didn't have no big shirts like that, and I know my dad has a bunch of plain shirts, so I was like, let me just get one from my dad's drawer. I really feel like a bum, I feel like a bum. But in the mirror, I don't look that bad though. This actually doesn't look that bad in the mirror. I don't know what y'all think. What do y'all think? Because this is how it looks in the mirror. But you know, the mirror be catfishing people sometimes. This is how it's looking. I keep thinking of the video of a YouTuber named Denzel Dion. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but he did a video of how teenagers used to freaking dance in the back, and he was next. Alright, y'all, so this is fit number 2, baby. Hold on, let me get this jacket on. So as you can see, I'm wearing a white turtleneck. I'm not sure where this is from. I think this is from like Amazon or something. And I have this little coat, and I don't even know where it's from either because it's not even mine, it's my mother's. But I have this teddy coat, and then I have these ripped jeans from Fashion Nova and some Vans, old school Vans, and then a belt. The teddy coat the girl is wearing is not the same color, but it's the same idea. The jeans, mine is more ripped than hers, but you know, it's the same idea. Like, it's the same idea. Now we finna do runway and mirror view. So this is how your girl's looking on the mirror. Yes, sir. I give this outfit a 10. I give it a 10 out of 10 because, baby, I look cute. Like, I'm about to get a heat stroke right now, but I look cute. Like, I look popping. Like, this is a cute winter fit. Fit number 3, I'm wearing this white tank top, and this is from Forever 21 with some khaki cargo pants. You see. And then on my feet, I'm not wearing anything because, as you see in the picture, the girl is wearing some white shoes, and I don't have any white shoes except for my all whites, which are not even white. Something I would wear to go out. I don't think this is something I would wear to go out, but this outfit is really, really cute, and it's basic, and you know, it's like doing what it has to do. So I would rate this outfit an 8.5 out of 10. 8.5, only because I just don't know how I feel about these big old pants. Like, in review, as you can see, the pants are really, really big, and they're wrinkly too. Mind that your girl didn't really have patience to be ironing pants that she's not even gonna wear out. But this is how it looks in the mirror. Construction worker vibes. Is that what it is? No, this is low-key giving me firefighter vibes. I don't know what I'm talking about, but it's giving me some type of vibe and I can't even list it out. What I try to do with this fit is, I know I did not have the exact skirt as that girl, but I try to find a skirt that would kind of go with it, kind of not. Shirt too, it matches the color of the shirt of the girl. Not wearing shoes right now. Like I said, my all whites ain't white no more. I got this shirt and the skirt from Shein, Romway, whatever. They need to sponsor me because I've been getting mad clothes from there, so they need to sponsor me for real, for real. I would rate this fit a good 8.5. 8.75, 8.75, you know. Here's how it looks in the mirror. Fit number five. I think it's fit number 5. But basically, it's a rolled up black shirt with some ripped black jeans at the knees. And I don't have the same shoes as the girl before, so I'm wearing these Champion shoes, and they're black and gray. Then it has some blue aspects around it, but yeah. Here's a mirror view. I need to clean my mirror. I should have cleaned my mirror before this, but here's how it's looking. Look at it. It's unraveling. The ghetto. The ghetto. Alright, y'all get the gist. This one, I don't think I really seen this on Pinterest. Like, I've seen, like, this is what I was going for, but I did not have a white graphic tee, so instead I used the black graphic tee, and I got this from Romway. My jeans, these are bootcut jeans. I'm gonna show y'all. My jeans are from Fashion Nova. I really love these jeans. These are my favorite jeans. I like this fit. This is a fit I would actually wear out, like, and this wasn't like exactly like how the picture was, but you know, it's still cute or whatnot. I rate this fit a 10. This fit is a 10. That is that for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I showed you about 6 outfits that I found on Pinterest that I tried to recreate. Let me know if you like videos like this. Let me know if you want a part 2. Let me know which outfit you favorite the most. Out of all the outfits, I would say this one and the one with the teddy coat are my favorites. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.
Told you that I'm leaving. I ain't tripping about no bitch, no, I ain't crashing about no hoe. Bet I rock out with these glizzes like I rock out in the